What's going, guys? My name is Blockhead1701 and I'm here with Lukesadork, and we are on the Spectrum server doing a sort of different thing today. So yeah, what we're doing is we're starting a new series called Build a PvP Map, and well, it's not probably going to be called Build a PvP Map. You'll see the title down below, but yeah, so that's basically what we're doing. We're building a PvP map, and it's based around the concept of every single one of these domes is a floating island. So if you look over here, you can see Lukesadork flying around in one of the domes, and then each one of these domes is on a floating island, and then from each dome you can see other domes, and we'll set up a bunch of teleports, and it should be fun. But yeah, so we're starting up this channel because I really wanted to get something with a bunch of other people, and Lukesadork's going to be one of many people who will be coming on the server, so hopefully it should be a good server. So yeah, guys, so this is how the game's going to work. There are 4 different archways, and I don't know how I'm going to set up the TPs for these, but so once you walk into one of these archways, you're going to be teleported to one of those platforms over there. And these platforms are going to have 4 different maps on it. So each one of these archways is going to control a different sort of PvP battle style. So I hope that explains it, sort of. So you might have like team deathmatch, and then you might have like an arena where it's just 1v1. And hopefully that will kind of give a bit of variety into the map. But yeah, so you'll spawn here, and then you'll walk up to one of these things, and for example, there might be a pressure plate here that will teleport you over there. But I don't think there's that much else to say here. That's not correct. It's unparalleled. But yeah, so if we ever get done with this map, which I doubt we will, but it'll be an ever going on project, we might upload it, and hopefully you guys can play on it and it'll be fun. But yeah, so I've played around with these sort of maps before. I've done a bunch of PvP on this type of map. I know how to do some of the command blocks very amateurly, so hopefully it'll be good. Anything you want to say?
Not really. I mean, I'm glad to be a part of this. Should be fun building it.
Yeah, so I think we're just gonna cut to building our second dome over here. And yeah, so we'll be back. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do in today's episode is try to start building the bottom of this island, and I think I've done a pretty good job over here in this island. But yeah, so it's kind of hard to do because you want to make it sort of like a cone shape. And one of the things I did implement with this island, if I just sprint and fly over to here, is I put these sort of string, and I didn't even put a string there. But yeah, so I put the string to stop the vines from growing, which is very handy because otherwise it's just gonna go overgrown, and yeah. So that's one of the things that we have to get going, but the first thing I'm gonna get is some stone. And I actually might use, we have Voxel Sniper installed on the server, so I think it's like, I can't remember having to make the balls, but I'm gonna
Oh, I
just,
know if you need.
yeah,
I know the
if you could.
commands.
But I'm just gonna
Um,
build sort of like a thing just to see what sort of height I want on the.
hmm.
Is that too far? Actually, no, that's a good height. So if I go B E fill. Ooh. Nope,
Phil, isn't it just? Yeah,
that's melting
it's
it.
slash B space B, isn't it?
Slash B B. Okay, and that's a. Okay. It's
Oh, slash V space 1 because you got to set it
V1.
to
Okay, cool.
stone.
Yeah, cool. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll just get like a sort of shape going, and hopefully this doesn't destroy the circle above. But yeah. I'm just kind of shaping it around to basically. You can also build as well if you want, but we're just trying to get a general cone sort of shape, and then we'll try fill it all in. So yeah, with the game rules, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have it so we have the game on peaceful, so it's game difficulty 0, but we're also turning off natural regeneration. So that makes it, oh, okay, so the thing went above, but that's fine, we can fix that later. Um, so what natural regeneration by turning it off means that people don't respawn using regenerate health, which I think adds a lot of it really adds to the game, and I think will work really well. And we've done it on a few other servers, so that's starting to look like a good shape for the island. Okay, now I'm gonna go BE melt, and this is basically an erosion brush, so you can erode away some of the things to make it look more like an actual cone shape, which I'm starting to like the look of, except I think it needs to be a bit wider. So I might go fill, so BE fill, and I need to actually put a slash there to fill in the blocks, but whoops, slash U. Okay guys, so we've got the basic shape for the outside, and now we're just going to implement some glowstone around the place, and Lukesadork's going to help me with that. But yeah, so I'm not sure what I think about this shape. I mean, each shape is going to be different, and hopefully they kind of work out, but yeah, I think it's going pretty well. I mean, the vines will definitely add to the shape of the building, but it's kind of weird because it's kind of lopsided as well. So I don't know what I think about it, but basically any dark spot I see, or Luke sees, we'll just light it up like a candle. So yeah, and then we'll place some vines down, and it should be good. And basically what I do with the vines is I just let it grow for a bit until we are ready. So yeah, just like kind of just space it out across the place so you have a bit of vines everywhere.
Alright. Wait, just on like the top level or on the bottom
And then you
levels
know
too?
you slowly drape down, so you slowly go like here.
Alright.
And I think that's good. We'll see how that grows. But yeah, so now what we want to do is we want to kind of get started on the dome. So what we did for this dome is we kind of did like an under support on the bottom of this. So I'm not sure how I want this to work, but we'll kind of play around with it. So let's just get started building, and I think I'll go. So I think we might as well go 3 blocks high just to start it off with, and then we'll see how this works. And if not, we can just play around with it again. Okay, so the first ring is down. Actually, I might want to go 1 more layer up, just because so people don't hit their heads on the ceiling. That might be a good idea, because that would be bad. But yeah, so I'm really excited for the new update that's coming out in 1.8 because we have a bunch of slime blocks. It's gonna make these maps a lot more fun, I feel. So yeah, okay, so the first layer is done. Now all I'm doing is I'm stepping 1 in and I'm follow tracing around, making sure I'm not covering up the thing. And this one will go 3 high. So it's gonna be a bit.
So does each new layer get one
Yeah, 1 less, and then
less in
yeah.
height?
So basically, it goes 5. For the other one, it went 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it went 1, 2, 3, but it went across like 1, 2, 3. So it went diagonal. So this one will be 3 high. All these blocks.
Yeah.
Okay, so the second layer is done, and now we're just going into the third layer, and this one will be 2 blocks high. So yeah, I'm liking the shape of this dome so far, and as you can see over there, you can see the giant main building, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so we're gonna just continue onwards. Okay guys, so I think we've done the dome. I'm not sure how it looks. I might put the supports up as well. But from the outside, I don't know. It's different. It's different towards this one because this one's more like flat and stuff, while this one's kind of a bit more archy. But we'll see how it goes. We'll just roll with it. But yeah, so now I want to get the supports going, and I don't know what block to use. Let's just look through all the green blocks to see what we can find. Okay guys, so I've tried 4 different designs. So we got the emerald blocks, we have the normal green, this one's a bit lighter with lime, and then we have finally this one, which I think is the one that looks the best. So I think we might stick with this one. And yeah, so but I'm not sure. I think this one looks the best, and then we'll try and figure out what to do with the inside of the dome. So yeah, see you guys in a bit when when I've built the rest of these supports. Okay guys, so we've finished off the rest of the supports, and I think this is a good design for the build. Let's go outside and take a look at it. Take a look at it. The only problem I have with this is the green kind of blends in with the green of the ground, but that's not really a big deal. Because you'll mostly be viewing it from inside here. So I think what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a bit, do a bit of redstone work down below for the command blocks, and then we'll wrap up the video there. So what I'm gonna do is gonna give blockhead 1701 137. Did I get it? Yeah, I did. Cool. And I also need some redstone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just might want to dig out a bit more space here. Oh, why did I change to glowstone? Uh-oh. Okay. With bucket, command blocks are a bit buggy, so that's all that is. And now we need some bedrock, which I can't find. There it is. And we'll place the bedrock there. Put a stone pressure plate. No, it's just a pressure plate. And okay, and stone pressure plate. So that will activate all the redstone on top of these guys. Is that activated? I can't tell. Yep, it is. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna go slash. Wait, I need to find the coordinates. So this is 159.22 slash spawn points AP 159 negative 22. This one is slash game mode 2, just in case the person decides to change it to game mode. And this one, oh crap, I forgot the 2 at player. And this one is, I can't remember, slash clear AP. So what this should do is when I step on this pressure plate, it changes me to adventure mode, gets rid of all the items, and changes my spawn point. After I go kill, I should spawn back on the pressure plates, which I missed. How'd I miss it? Wait. Yeah, I missed it. How did I miss it? Negative 22. This is negative 23. Okay. Game mode 1. I know the new coordinates are kind of weird. Okay. Let's try again. Slash kill. And we are back on the pressure plates. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this episode. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode in building the first and second domes. Next episode we might start looking at map ideas, and then we might start looking at command blocks. But that is gonna do it for this episode, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy the idea of this series. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. So, Lukesadork, say something.
Hey! Bye. I hope you've enjoyed this.
So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. Give a rating, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe as always down below. And I will see you guys next time on the Spectrum server. So, see you guys next time. Bye-bye.